was preaching tonight, preaching tonight, preaching on the old campground. Preaching tonight, preaching tonight, preaching on the old campground. They're singing tonight, singing tonight, singing on the old campground. They're singing tonight, singing tonight, singing on the old campground. Alright, y'all, a little bit of Mississippi John Hurts, Praying on the Old Campgrounds. And this is a great song. It's Easter. I thought it would be, really just perfect to do one of his gospel tunes. And of course, this song may sound pretty familiar to you, especially if you started with like any of the old Mel Bay books or anything when you were starting out learning to play mandolin, because it's based on an old folk tune, Tinting Tonight. And that song actually goes back to England. It may have even been popular in the Revolutionary War. It was definitely popular in the Civil War. And at some point, somebody just changed the lyrics and turned it into a little country gospel song. It's very, very simple. This may actually be the most simple tune we've done to this point. And it's just so nice. It's so laid back and easygoing. Great for a beginner, but enjoyable for anybody to play. As is all of Mississippi John Hurt's music. John Hurt, probably the most affable of any blues singer ever lived. I mean, you fall in love with his music. That laid-back style, that soft voice, that good humor, good-natured, friendly way about him, just unique. What a wonderful person he was too. And he did play on Sundays in his church. He would play blues at the juke joints on a Saturday night. He'd farm during the week, and Sundays he'd play in the church. And he was just a really great guy, just a real solid, great guy. When he came out of retirement in the 60s in the folk revival, he and Doc Watson were just like best friends. He made enough money to buy his wife a house, went home and died. That was it. That's his legacy. He's just a good, solid, hard-working, nice man. And this song's very reflective of that. So let's look at it. It's in the key of C. The chords are simple. F, C, G7, C, F, C, G7, C. And the melody is just, you can do a lot of things with it. I'm just playing the straight melody. I just went from C chord. So that's C, E, D, C, and just a little tremolo. Up to you. You don't have to tremolo if you don't like it. So C, A, C, A. There we go. A, C, A, G. C, E, D, C, E, D, C, A, C, A, G, C, 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 E, D, C. So, it's that easy. All right, y'all. If you got any questions, email me, judson@judsoncarroll.com, or leave a question or comment in the comment section below the video. I hope everyone has a very happy Easter, and I'll be back next week with another tune for you. Enjoy it.